Hello lovely dancers, my name is Aisha and welcome back to Belly Dance Tutorials. In today's class I'm going to continue with some of the Arabic rhythms and I'll go over the Maqsum and Saidi. In the last class I went over some of the entrance rhythms, Malfouf, Ayub and Felahi. And today we're gonna go to the core of the song, and a lot of time it's used the maksum rhythm for that, or Saidi sometimes, or both. The bread and butter of most Egyptian or Arabic songs that we used in belly dance is the maksum rhythm. You'll hear it in probably 80% of the songs at various speeds, sometimes faster, sometimes slower. Sometimes slower, yeah. So, and this is where you actually dance. It's not running around, with some exceptions, like Felahi is actually a fast maksum, so that's a running around, but slightly different. But for maksum, it's mostly when you dance in place and you don't move so much. You could do turns and things like that. And a typical movement for the maksum one is the drop kicks. Dum-tek, tek, dum-tek, dum-tek, tek, dum-tek. Yes? Or like that. Dum-tek, tek, dum-tek, dum-tek, tek, dum-tek. So as I said before, on dooms in general, we want to do downward movement. Use the hips a lot, sometimes the chest. But and on text is more like uplifting, upward movement, or using the chest. Even on a tek, like you could do an accent on a tek with the chest, an accent down, I meant. So anyway, so on this maksum rhythm that I have here, I will do the drop kicks, drop kick, or maybe drop lift. And you could also do the Egyptian step or the Egyptian step with a turn. So let's try that. Okay. Dum tek tek dum tek dum tek tek dum tek dum tek tek dum tek dum tek tek dum tek. Yes. Dum tek tek dum tek dum tek tek dum tek dum tek tek dum tek dum tek tek dum tek. Really on maksum, the possibilities are endless. You could do anything you want. On this one, as I said, is the core of the dance. These are just some simple examples. But of course, you could do more stepping out, stepping front, stepping back. Dum tek tek dum tek dum tek tek dum tek dum tek tek dum tek dum tek tek dum tek. Yeah. So just simple examples for now. Now let's go over the Saidi one. Saidi is a fun one. Of course, it's used in Saidi styling with a cane, taktib, or even without them. And the rhythm goes dum tek, dum tek, dum tek, dum tek. And we do Saidi styling. And for now, I will use probably a couple of Saidi moves. I'll do the classical one. This one with a step and kick, step and kick, step and kick, step, kick, yes. Or behind, assuming I would have a cane. You could also use hip drops on this one. Maybe I'll do a tutorial separately on Saidi styling because there are so many moves here that we can do. But let me show you or let me play a song with this rhythm. Saidi. Dum tek, 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 dum tek. on these hip drops, I followed the sounds. So I did a dum-tek, dum-tek. Yes, so a drop on the dum, 2 lifts on the tek, and a drop on the dum. So I'm trying to follow the drops and lifts. So I'm trying to follow the melody, the dum and teks, with drops and lifts. Yes, so dum, tek, dum, dum, tek, dum, tek, dum, dum, tek. Yes, so let's try this again. Dum, tek, dum, tek, dum, tek, dum, dum, tek. Dum, tek, dum, 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 tek, dum, dum. All right, dancers. Yeah, I think that's all I have with this fun little rhythms here. Just a short class on Maqsum and Saidi. I'll continue next time with more rhythms. I'll see you next time. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you have any comments or suggestions, just write them down in the comments box area and I will try to address them. And until next time, shimmy shimmy.